rolling the hoop. I didn't know the kids could roll the hoop so well. As a child, I eagerly awaited the small school sports day. Especially that year, a traditional game called hoop rolling was scheduled to be held. On the morning of the sports day, even the cloudy sky couldn't dampen my excitement. I spent the weekend making hoops with my friends, planning various ways to enjoy the game, and practicing hard. 3 competitions were scheduled for that day: a contest to see who could roll the hoop faster and more accurately, an obstacle course where we would roll the hoop while avoiding obstacles, and a trick competition to showcase various skills. On the day of the sports event, the schoolyard was filled with the laughter and cheers of my friends. Our class took out the hoops we had practiced with for the past few weeks. "Look how beautifully we made this." My friend Minsu and I proudly showed off our hoops, all feeling excited. We shared the poles and set up our hoops, making thorough preparations. "Just hold the hoop like this and push." We practiced, reaching a peak of confidence. The first match began, and we competed to see who could roll the hoop the fastest and most accurately. My hoop rolled smoothly, but other friends, caught up in nervousness, frequently fell. During the race, one friend rolled too hard and came tumbling towards me, making me scream and quickly dodge out of the way. Others felt uneasy too, making the atmosphere awkward. "Don't be nervous, everyone," I shouted, but the tension of the moment didn't easily fade away. In the obstacle course, we prepared various barriers. The teachers set up obstacles using curved sticks, plastic cups, and ropes. Although the spaces between them were narrow, friends needed to adjust their approach to avoid hitting them. As the race began, friends cautiously rolled their hoops, adjusting their speed to dodge the obstacles. I enjoyed maintaining my speed while passing through the barriers. However, some friends collided with the obstacles and fell, drawing laughter from others watching them. "It's okay. You can do it." Their reassuring cheers made the atmosphere much more pleasant. Every time friends stumbled over the barriers, their bright smiles returned, and we exchanged encouragement. Thanks to this, the race became filled with thrilling moments and cheerful scenes. Next came the fast passing competition, where several children stood in line to quickly pass the hoop to each other. Friends adjusted the right speed and force to push the hoops to each other. "I'm starting now." With that shouted cue, hoops were rapidly exchanged in succession, moving quickly along the line. The beautiful sight of everyone passing the hoops in unison resembled a dance, and we enjoyed a cheerful competition while synchronizing our moves together. In the trick competition, friends took turns showcasing their special skills with the hoops. One friend stood the hoop upright and jumped over it, prompting a round of applause from everyone in the field. Another friend shouted, "Look! I can roll 2 at the same time," as they confidently rolled the hoops, astonishing us all. Through each competition, we realized the powerful strength of teamwork by helping one another. Minsu and I especially felt the tension easing, understanding that it was more valuable to think, "We can do this together," than to only focus on, "I just need to do well." This experience allowed us to rediscover the joy and significance of traditional games. Finally, we set new records through each competition, sharing big laughs and joy during all the events. The results of our cooperative efforts and consistent practice made for even more special experiences. We joyfully embraced each other, celebrating our achievements, and that day's memories were not merely about victory but also about experiencing the strength of cooperation and friendship. The joy and experiences of hoop rolling became precious moments for physical development and balance skills. Furthermore, they deepened the cohesion and trust among friends. The traditional game of hoop rolling held special meaning for me, and now it stands as a cherished memory from my childhood sports day. Through this experience, I felt the importance of cultural heritage even more deeply, and I hope to pass on this fun game to future generations.